It takes an immovable barrier to stop the advance of an irresistible force. For over the past 3 decades, scientists have been searching for an effective barrier to prevent the advance of pancreatic cancer, but there was none to be found. Such a pursuit I have joined to find that elusive barrier that stops the rampage of pancreatic cancer. Pancreatic cancer has claimed the lives of many well-known people, including the soul singer Aretha Franklin and our own Peter Harvey. And just last year, over 3,000 Australians have succumbed to this disease. While surgical removal is the only hope for cure, it is limited to the lucky few with a localized tumor. Unfortunately, majority of the patients are denied this option, as the cancer has already spread throughout the body at the time of diagnosis. And this scenario has barely changed over the last 3 decades. As I started my research journey, trying to understand why this cancer spread so rapidly, we found a partner in crime, a group of supporting cells called pancreatic stellate cells as shown on the slide. These cells surround the cancer cells, protecting and nourishing them, and even helping them to spread throughout the body. We also found that these cells communicate closely with each other and conspire to thwart any barriers laid in their way. And all efforts to date, which have been mainly aimed at killing the cancer cells alone, have proved futile before the might of this duo. We, however, have identified the key communication between the cancer and supporter cells and narrowed it down to a precise pathway. In animal models that replicate human disease, we orchestrated a combination of 2 drugs which blocks both ends of this key pathway, effectively isolating the cancer cells from their allies. To those 2 drugs, we added a third, a chemotherapeutic agent already used in the clinic. This triple hit effectively crippled the tumor cells, preventing their local growth and distant spread. Excitingly, under this treatment, we observed that the all-important immune system, which is usually suppressed in pancreatic cancer, had now joined the anti-cancer battle. We believe that our novel approach has the potential to turn inoperable into operable tumors, as well as to target distant spread. I imagine someday in the near future to be able to stand between the patient and pancreatic cancer, raise my hand and say, "This far and no further, not so fast pancreatic cancer, not so fast."